Hello FLATED friends and fellow roadies, Ken Hovey with FLATED, and today I'm going to take you through the process if you wanted to add some extra D-rings to your air topper or to any of our inflatable products. And it goes like this. First, here's what you're going to need. Some painter's tape, some light sandpaper, also glue. We prefer HH66. You could use the glue in your repair kit, but it's nice to have that in the event that you do need a repair. You're also going to need some gloves, a pen, and a heat gun, although a hair dryer will work. And so today what I'm going to do as an example is put a couple of small D-rings in the inside of my air topper up on the roof so that I can hang up my fly rods. First off, you're going to find the spots that you want to put them and then put the D-rings down and trace an outline around them. Then pick up the D-ring and lightly sand the area that you're going to put your glue. Then wipe away any residue that might be left off. Next up, take that painter's tape and tape off the area where you're going to put the glue. Next up, one of the most important so that you don't have to clean glue off your hands, is put on your gloves. Another part of this is that you're going to put a couple of layers of glue on there. Put the first one on and then let it dry, and then also do that to the D-rings. After that dries, add another layer and then let that dry. And then from there, you're going to heat things up. You can take off the gloves and then remove that tape. Now, heat things up. And I want to make sure that you're very careful with this, that you don't overheat it or even melt the plastic, as those heat guns get very, very hot and they can definitely burn a hole. So don't get it too close. Just go lightly and heat it up. Now, you're going to adhere the D-rings to the topper. Take the D-rings and then push them down into the area where the glue is. And one thing that I've found is that they make these little rasps that have a wheel on it, and they're great for pushing it down and getting all of the air bubbles out. Then all you have to do is let it dry for 24 hours and you're good to go. Hope this little tutorial helps. Just make sure you've got the gloves, and also if you are doing this indoors, that you wear ventilation. When I put these D-rings on, I was outside in a well-ventilated area, and now my rods hang perfectly on the inside of my air topper.